Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to load datasets from IPSUM into your RStudio. First, go ahead, grab your data extract from the website, make sure it's all clean. While downloading, you need two files. First one is the .dat file, and the second one is DDI. You need to save that as an XML file into your folder. Make sure those files are both in the same folder also. So open up your brand new project environment in RStudio, load up a library called IPSUM R, and then create a variable called DDI, and then have that read our .xml file. For example, mine's MEPS, and then open up another variable. You just name this whatever, but I'm using data, and then this is kind of a pointer where everything that DDI is being pointed to that data variable now is fully loaded. That's our data extract right there. If you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching. Go ahead, share, and like, and comment.